Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3, Chapter 21, and the chapter name is Kolkata. So in this chapter we will know about the state, about the city Kolkata, about the climate and history, in fact the tourist attraction of Kolkata. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludo, Carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. So whenever the school is going to open, I just want all the homework and I have all the records. So it's better that you should complete your all homework on time. So the homework I will upload on the website. So after the online class will finish, you can go there, you can upload your homework and then you can copy it in your fair copy. So please complete your homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. Follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus. You can give your most of your time in your study, in your reading the chapter, to learning the objective types, the new words, and I think it's a short chapter. So in this video, like in lecture number 1 and 2, so the chapter will finish. So we will, after that you have the book, then please write down the new words from the book and the objective types that I will upload, but I will upload now previous chapter so that you can do it in your fair copy. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. So whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from this virus. And do not interact with other persons. Stay at home, protect yourself and your family from this virus. Be at home, attend your online classes, and you can enjoy the time with your family members. So let's start the chapter. Now it's the chapter about the Kolkata. You can see the picture that behind your chapter. So India map is there in downside, and with red dot it indicating that here is Kolkata. Near the sea you can see that. Now Kolkata, earlier known as Calcutta, is the capital of West Bengal. So please underline it. It's just of general knowledge. So this online class will over. You can again read the chapter, and these all the you have to learn it. So first of all, you can underline from the first line that Kolkata, earlier known as Calcutta, is the capital of West Bengal. So Kolkata is what? Now it's a Kolkata. The name has replaced, but earlier it was known as Calcutta, and it is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal. West Bengal is a state in eastern India. So West Bengal is a state in eastern part of India. The city is situated on the bank of the river Hooghly. So this Kolkata city, it is situated on the bank of the river Hooghly. Now about the climate of the Kolkata, we will see that what is the climate of Kolkata. The climate of Kolkata, like Mumbai, the climate also in Kolkata, it is mostly warm and humid. Winters are cool. It received heavy rainfall during the monsoon. So the climate is exactly like the Mumbai. So it is very warm and humid weather. In fact, the winters are very cool. And it receives very heavy rainfall during the monsoon seasons, just like the Kolkata. It just overflow the roads, and it can hide the road also with the water, with the rainwater. Next is the history of Kolkata. Now, the three villages of Sutanuti, Govindapur and Kalikatta were joined together to form Kolkata in 1690 CE during the British period. So please underline it from starting of the history, like the three villages of Sutanuti, Govindapur and Calcutta were joined together to form Kolkata in 1690 CE during the British period. Till British period, please underline it. So from the till period, the three villages of Sutanuti, Govindapur and Calcutta were joined together to form Kolkata in 1690 CE during the British period. So these three villages, they formed the Kolkata when they joined, and they joined in 1960 CE in British period. When British are there, then these three villages, they joined together and they formed the Kolkata in 1690 CE. Now, the British created a miniature version of London on the bank of the Hooghly. So the British, because they formed with the help of, they joined three villages and they formed the Kolkata in British time. So on that time, British, they created a miniature, means a same copy, like something copy like that, was something copies of version of London on the banks of the Hooghly. What the London is there, exactly the same he copied on the bank of the Hooghly. Years later, many people from Kolkata took part in the struggle for independence. After that, many years passed. Then many people from the Kolkata who lived in the Kolkata, they took the part in the struggle of independence. Means like to independence, like to free from the British. So in the year 2000, the government of West Bengal officially renamed Calcutta to Kolkata. So please this also underline it. It's for general knowledge. So in the year 2000, the government of West Bengal officially renamed Calcutta to Kolkata. Calcutta to Kolkata. So in year 2000, the government of West Bengal, because the Kolkata's capital is West Bengal, so if any official work is there, then they have to work from the West Bengal and they have to give the orders and they have to make the law. So in 2000, the government of the West Bengal, they officially renamed the Calcutta to Kolkata. Next topic is tourist attraction, that we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye.